They just sent out all kinds of money. Then they also cut rates again. So they increased the rates as well back here, right? As part of the quantitative tightening. And then they started to cut rates down to zero. It was basically free money. Tossed out all kinds of money, pumped the liquidity in the markets, and then look what happened. This was a huge parabolic run because of the COVID-19 pandemic, right? It just pumped up, right? And then once it got to the top, well, we got to deal with the after effect of the pandemic and start quantitative tightening. They started raising rates like crazy, raising them. And what happened? Well, then eventually things dropped down, okay? And then that's what happened. And so then, well, that really brings us into the bear market, into where we are at right now, okay? But you see, crypto started to pump up. Look at this. You see, up here, this is what we need to really pay attention to here, okay? Right here, this is crazy. If you can notice this, you can take a look at this. This is part of really blows my mind, okay? The global liquidity, it hasn't pumped yet. They haven't pumped it yet. They haven't just started flooding the cash out there yet, have they? They haven't started quantitative easing. They haven't lowered the rates. They haven't done all of this yet. This has still been going down. We're still in this phase, but it should be going up. It should be, because we are right at that time where it should be going up. I want you to see that this is still going down, but at the same time this is going down, crypto is going up. Crypto is going up, you guys. Okay, it went up, and people are afraid. They're crying and they're panicking because of this drop right here. But you guys, we already went up like this. We already blasted up from way down here. Look at this. Okay, the whole crypto market took this huge leg up here, right? Global liquidity didn't do this yet. It's still sitting. In other words, you still got small liquidity. It's still sitting here. It hasn't been pumped yet, you guys. Crypto pumped. This didn't pump. So what's about to happen?